Welcome to Yes Channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Can you please tell me the arrival time of Flight 2563 from Egypt? Thank you.
Let me check. The Flight 2563 from Egypt arrives at 2:00 p.m.
At 2:00 p.m. Oh, good. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Good afternoon. My name is Irene. Miss Irene Williams. Good afternoon. My name is Amina. Miss Amina Khalifa. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, too. Welcome to our city, Miss Khalifa. Thank you, Miss Williams. So, welcome to our city. Thank you, Miss Williams. Please, call me Irene. Please, call me Amina. Where is Carla? Oh, excuse me. I'll be back in a minute. Good evening. Good evening. My name is Carla. Miss Carla Anderson. My name is Amina. Miss Amina Khalifa. Welcome to our city. Thank you. I am glad to be here.
Good morning, Miss Williams.
Good morning, Mr. Davis.
Miss Williams, is Miss Khalifa here?
Yes.
Good. Let's start then. Good morning! Glad to see you all. Today we welcome a new teacher, Miss Amina Khalifa. She is from Egypt. Miss Khalifa is our math teacher. Please, welcome her. Good morning, Miss Khalifa.
Good morning, Mr. Davis.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
Welcome to our school.
Thank you, Mr. Davis. Good morning. My name is Miss Amina Khalifa. I am from Egypt. I am your new math teacher. Okay, class. Today we talk about formal greetings. Our 5 phrases for today are, number 1 is, good morning. We say it before 12:00 a.m. Number 2 is, good afternoon. We say it after 12:00 a.m. Number 3 is, good evening. We say it in the evening. Number 4 is, nice to meet you. And number 5 is, nice to meet you, too. That's it for now. Good job. See you again on Yes Channel. Remember to like and subscribe.